Hey everyone, it's Diane Buchholz here for another edition of Open House Funday. So come on. First off, 6003 Northwest Winfield Drive. You have your primary suite with doors out to the patio and pool, large room, wood floors, large walk-in closets, large primary bathroom, dual sinks, water closet, pass-through, walk-through shower, and large soaking tub. Very beautiful. Double door entry into the home. Your dining room goes into your kitchen, central to the home, has stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, nice high ceiling, great pantry, pass through into the laundry room, garage. You have your guest bedroom 1, about a 12 by 11. Then down the little hallway you have the guest bath, and then you have guest bedroom 2, which is also 12 by 11. Then out to your gorgeous pool deck, beautiful landscaping. You have the cage over the pool, and you have quite a bit of space for entertaining. Absolutely beautiful home. Next we have 6444 Northwest Foxglove Street. And this is a beautiful 2-story home. You have nice high ceilings, lots of natural light. You have a formal living room with a built-in shelf. You have a family room, playroom, entertainment room that leads out to the back patio. Have a great kitchen, have this nice little hallway, you've got the garage there on the right, you have a linen closet up front, you have your formal dining room overlooking the backyard. Upstairs, you also have a chairlift if necessary. You have 3 bedrooms upstairs. You have bedroom 1 that has a nice bay window overlooking the street. And good size, nice closet. You have the bathroom, nice long sink, shower tub combo. Your second bedroom up here overlooks the backyard. Again, lots of natural light. And then you have your laundry room is upstairs too, nice and convenient with a little sink. And then you've got your master, again, plenty of natural light looking out over the patio. Nice, bright, big bathroom, dual sink, soaking tub, water closet with bidet. You do have a nice linen and a walk-in shower. You also have a very large closet with lots of built-in shelves, so makes it nice and roomy, very convenient. Outside you have your screened-in pool area. You have a beautiful landscaped yard, half-acre. You have a couple of sheds with electricity going to them, so you'd have plenty of parking, doing all of your projects, side-load garage, shutters, and you have your pool with a couple of little mosaic designs, get into the Florida lifestyle, and a very beautiful pool with an outdoor shower. So, super cute house. Check it out. Number 3, 5804 Northwest Breezy Brook Court. This has a 3-car garage and absolutely beautiful landscaping located in Windy Pines. You have a formal dining room, lots of natural light. Got a hallway down to your 2 bedrooms. Guest bedroom 1, the 10 by 11, nice size closet. good natural light. Bedroom number 2, same size, also has a nice natural light, good sized closet. Heading out to the hallway, you have your guest bath, shower tub combo, into your kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, have a nice little fireplace, good counter space, good sized kitchen, nice little nook area, the living room, have views out to the patio. You have your 3rd bedroom in the back with a little bit of privacy. Again, you've got nice natural light and a good sized closet with a bathroom. Again, shower tub combo, nice big sink area, and you also have the door to the outside. Within your master, you have patio doors to the outside, 2 windows, 2 dual walk-in closets, and a nice big bathroom, dual sinks, shower, soaking tub, and water closet. Great tile on the floor in the tub, and then you have outside patio, screened in with a very nice fenced-in backyard. Good sized space, and you overlook a preserve, so nice privacy behind. So that's it. If you want to check this one out, let me know. And finally, we have 5761 Northwest Cahaba Street. This has a little bonus 2-story. When you open up, you have a nice open floor plan. You have your upstairs, and you have a nice little living space. Could be an office, bonus room, entertainment, family room. Nice big space up here. And then you also have a bedroom. Has its own private bath, and it has a nice big closet. So very nice upstairs. A little bonus room. And back in the main house, you have the master bedroom overlooking the back patio. It's a nice walk-in closet and has its own ensuite bath. Then you have 2 more guest bedrooms on the other side. Generous walk-in closet, nice long hallway. You have your guest bath, and then you have the final 4th bedroom. That also has a nice sized closet. Kitchen is a good size, nice counter space, stainless steel appliances. Backyard is fenced in, and you have a screened in patio that's nice and wide as well.